Question 15. During a balloon blowing competition, Alan, Brian, Charles and Darren were each given identical balloons and told to inflate the balloons to the fullest using the least number of breaths. The graph below shows the number of breaths needed by each boy to inflate his balloons to the fullest. So let us record the number of breaths here. Alan needs 12. Brian needs 10. Charles needs 14. While Darren needs 8. Now, this shows that Darren needs the least number of breaths to inflate the balloon to the fullest. Let us take a look at the question. Lung capacity is the greatest amount of air a person can take in with each breath. Which one of the following statements are true? Charles has the greatest lung capacity. Well, this is not true because Charles needed 14 breaths to inflate the balloon. So it shows that Charles has the least lung capacity, whereas Darren has the most lung capacity. So A is not the correct option. B. Alan has a greater lung capacity than Darren. Well, Alan took 12 breaths as compared to Darren, which took only 8 breaths. So this is also not a true statement because Darren is the one with the greater lung capacity, as he can take least number of breaths to inflate the balloon. C. Brian has a greater lung capacity than Alan. Brian took only 10 breaths as compared to Alan's 12 breaths. So this is actually true. Brian has a greater lung capacity compared to Alan. D. Darren can inflate the balloon with the least number of breaths. Darren only took 8 breaths, which is the least number of breaths. So D is also true. So answer should be C and D. So answer is option 4, C and D.